keep you from eating something, you know, like a number 2 with a large drink. You eat one of these, I'd rather go with something like this. I'd rather go with something like this than to get something at a fast food place that's gonna really set me off on my goals, okay? I thought I was eating healthy. Thought I was having a salad that was healthy, and then I started tracking all those toppings I was putting on it. Man, that salad's not healthy, come on now. So whether you're going on vacation or just taking the kids to school, you gotta stay ready with your protein, man. Come on now. So I'm gonna show you some options here that I like to get no matter I'm traveling, I'm just taking the kids to school. I like to keep these options in stock. Come on, let's go shopping. So like I said, don't matter if you're traveling or if you're just taking the kids to school, man, you gotta stay ready. Cause look, if you don't stay ready, then you're gonna end up pulling over and getting something you shouldn't be getting. Real talk. You know, there's so many different options out there that are not gonna help you hit your goals on every single corner. And you're gonna end up saying, man, but I'm hungry, so I got to eat something. I'll just start again tomorrow and this and that. No. You got to stay ready. If you stay ready, you don't have to get ready. So one of the places I like to start out with, you might be thinking, man, this dude's always talking about protein bars. But I'm trying to tell you, if a protein bar is going to keep you from eating something you shouldn't be eating, I go with the protein bar. Now, I don't recommend you eat protein bars all day long. I recommend you get whole foods, but sometimes we just can't take a whole food with us as we're driving on the freeway, right? You just can't knife and fork and eat while you're driving. So some of these options right here, let me know what some of your favorite protein bars are. I'm gonna show you what some of my favorite protein bars are because I like to stay ready and I keep these in stock, all right? So what I'm gonna grab here is I'll always go with David. You know, this is one of my favorite ones. I talk about it a lot. The blueberry pie is pretty much my favorite flavor. 28 grams of protein, only 150 calories. I mean, you just can't beat the macros on this, okay? So David is a great one. I keep these in stock. A lot of times I have these before I go to the gym. And man, it just holds me down, okay? So David is great. And right next to David, you're gonna see my other favorite right here, Barebells birthday cake. Man, have y'all tried these birthday cakes? These are so good. I mean, it don't even have to be your birthday. Let's go. These jokers are good. Now, if you have a candy bar issue, grab you one of these. Candy bar issue gone, okay? Let me talk to you real quick. Like I said, if you struggle with like candy bars and stuff like that, go get you one of these, okay? One of the many jokers taste like high protein candy bars. Now, come on. Now, birthday cake is my favorite flavor, but they have different flavors. Actually, I see the chocolate chip cookie dough flavor is actually on sale. I'm gonna grab me some of those. But I'm trying to tell you, if you have a sweet tooth, man, go grab you some of this instead of grabbing you something you shouldn't be grabbing or what you're used to grabbing. And it's putting you in the position that you're in right now, okay? So get you something like this, get you some Barebells, get you some David. Quest is a great one also. And also these right here, these Built Puff, pretty much my favorite tasting one. 17 grams of protein, only 140 calories. These are amazing. Do you get down with these, man? You let me know in the comments. These are great. The only problem with these is man, you try to put these in a bag or something and it's a little bit warm, they will melt quick. Let me talk to you. These will melt quick, okay? So don't go put these in your bag and think that, you know, I'm just gonna eat it later after I, you know, get back and this and that, because you better get your napkin because these jokers melt, all right? So, but they're great, man. If you're at the house, you just need something sweet, like maybe at nighttime, your sweet tooth kicking in, you're like, man, I don't want to go grab that ice cream, man. I don't want to go grab this and that. You go grab you one of these right here, all right? And it'll knock out your sweet tooth. But these little jokers are great. Have y'all tried Built? If you haven't, go try it. Try this flavor first. This is my favorite flavor right here. If you have tried it, let me know in the comments. How do you like them, man? Or what do you use in place? But these are a great option if you are trying to knock out a sweet tooth and just trying to stay, man, come on now, 17 grams protein, look out, let's go. Well, if you see here, there's just so many different options you can go with, okay? Pick one that fits your personal diet, your personal nutrition. If you're here at Kroger also jumping in the game with their Simple Truth protein bars, okay? So you see everybody's jumping in that protein game. You can find something, I mean, you want something that looks like a donut, there you go, bam, donut. All right, so it doesn't matter, but the thing you have to do is you have to look on the back, all right? You gotta look on the back, check that nutrition label, and make sure it fits into your personal diet. Don't just go grab a protein bar and think, okay, I'm good to go. Some of these jokers are packing tons of calories, not enough protein, too much fat, not enough fat, you know, whatever fits your personal diet, all right? Whatever that is, you check the back of that joker and you track it, okay? Go get MyFitnessPal, put it on your phone and track every single thing you eat. But look, a lot of times a little protein bar, even if it's not the best, can keep you from eating something, you know, like a number 2 with a large drink. You eat one of these, I'd rather go with something like this. I'd rather go with something like this than to get something at a fast food place that's going to really set me off on my goals, okay? So if you're trying to stay on your goals, you're trying to make some changes, you got to change something, all right? So remember, nothing changes if nothing changes, okay? So I'm just trying to show you some of the options, all right? So hopefully those up. Wait. Check this out. Barebells with the orange creamsicle. Have y'all seen this? What? Come on now, orange creamsicle, 20 grams of protein. Look at that, 210 calories. What? Man, y'all gotta let me know. Have y'all seen this right here? Man, come on now, Barebells. Barebells just comes with those flavors, man. It's crazy. Let me know if you check these out. Let's go. Okay, another one of my go-to options whenever I'm traveling, especially when I'm traveling, but even, you know, like I said, I'm trying to give you options that even if you're taking the kids to school or you're going to work or something like that, you need something, get some protein, and that'll sometimes knock out a sweet tooth, but at least help you hit your goals. What I like to do is stop by the cereal section, okay? And I try to find me a high protein cereal. One of the best ones that I like to get is this right here. Bam, Ghost. Okay, this, have y'all tried this? Now I just eat this dry. I don't even put any milk on it. I'll just measure out a serving and take this with me. Okay, Ghost, looking at 17 grams of protein. Man, this stuff right here is good. Have y'all tried Ghost? All right, if you get down with protein cereal, try out some Ghost. This joker is good. Like I said, I eat it just by itself. I don't need any milk. This really helps me. You know, if you're going to be in a hotel room or something like that, instead of going out and buying breakfast, you know, and getting all this and that, you know, you're getting 17 grams of protein if you just take this with you. Okay, so this is just another option for a high protein option that'll help you, that might keep you from eating something else that you shouldn't be eating. Okay, or might not fit into your goals. You know, if you stay ready, you don't have to get ready. Okay, so I like to get this, so I'm gonna give me one of these. And I like to slide over here to the chip section because I'm a big fan of protein chips. Now, if you get down with protein chips, you let me know. One of my favorite ones is this right here. So we got Quest protein chips. All right, I take these, man. I don't care if I'm flying, if I'm driving, if I'm doing anything. If I'm just having a sandwich, I will grab me some of these right here. Now, this is the nacho cheese, but look, this one right here, 18 grams of protein in this joker. But look, Doritos trying to check in too with the protein chips. Now look, they only got 10 grams of protein. So what I would do is I would grab these right here. These are my favorite. Quest is my favorite right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get me some of these because I need to stay ready. Come on now. Now, whether you're driving or just, you know, you need some type of quick protein, I highly recommend you get you some type of protein drink. They just make, I mean, so many different kinds out there. Like this one right here, 32 grams of protein, these little bottles right here. They're chocolate. Have y'all tried these, man? Come on now, there's just so many different options. Premier has them, Core Power has them. There's so many different kinds that you can get, but you can check this one out too, okay? A lot of them are, you know, dairy-free, zero sugar, whatever fits into your personal diet, your personal goals, you go find that one, okay? Like this one's dairy-free, zero sugar. You can go get you some of these, try them out, see if you like them. If you like them, keep them in stock, man. Put them in the fridge, put them over some ice, and they're gonna taste good, okay? But if nothing else, if you're in a hurry, grab you one of these and head out the door, okay? So that you don't head out the door and have, you know, when you get on the road, you're like, man, I am starving. Guess what's on that corner? Oh, guess what's on this corner? Oh, all these options. No, because you're gonna stay ready, all right? So you're gonna say, nope, I'm not pulling into that. I'm gonna go ahead and drink my protein shake and call it a day, and I'm gonna make it to the next meal, all right? I'm just trying to show you how to do this stuff, all right? So keep these items in stock. Now, once again, I don't recommend you eat protein bars and protein chips and just drink these all day long, right? I don't recommend you do that. These are just snacks to help you get to your next meal, to help you make a better decision, to help you not pull over at that place where you're gonna get a number 3 with a large drink and really throw your goals off, okay? So make sure you stay ready. If you stay ready, you don't have to get ready. I can't say that enough. And these items right here help me stay ready and help me not make those decisions, okay? And they help me stay on track. And I know they help me because I track everything. MyFitnessPal, go download it, put it on your phone. Every time you have one of these, every time you have a protein bar, every time you have some of that cereal, you track it, all right? Make sure you're measuring everything out, measuring cups, scale, whatever you gotta do, but make sure you're doing that and then track it. Hold yourself accountable because you will see some changes. If you start holding, I just guarantee you, start tracking for a week, 1 week, all right? And you're gonna see some changes. You're gonna realize, man, I thought I was eating healthy, right? I thought I was having a salad that was healthy, and then I started tracking all those toppings I was putting on it. Man, that salad's not healthy, come on now. So you're gonna see a difference, okay? I'm trying to tell you, if you track, hold yourself accountable, you will see a change, because remember, nothing changes if nothing changes. I'm gonna talk to y'all next time. Let's go.